Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HEXO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Monday and then today, Tuesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Pretty rough day today, but then again, the overall markets as a whole was rough. So what I want to do here is just get rid of that line right there. Yes, that level pertains, but from a presentation standpoint, I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. And in my mind, after today's price movement, there's definitely a pretty straightforward area of resistance that the price is going to need to, not only necessarily get above, but more so stay above. And I'll explain what I mean by that. But that is the purple line here, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see ever since the price has fallen below it there, it tried to get above it right there, was rejected. And then several times you can see the price has been rejected by it. But in this instance here, sure, the price did get above it. And even right here this morning, yeah, the price got above it. And then you fast forward to later today on Tuesday, and sure, the price got above it. But as far as actually staying up above it, that is where the other challenge has been. So in some situations, as you've seen, the price just flat out couldn't even get above it. But in several other situations, the price could get above it, but just not stay up above it. That is definitely going to be the point here, being the near-term level of resistance to keep a close eye on going forward is certainly going to be that purple line there, as after today's price movement in particular, it's definitely kind of put itself together a nice little resume of acting as resistance. I'm not saying at all that the price can never, ever break above there and stay up above it. My point is just that according to the story of the chart that is being told to us, via the price movement here, that apparently the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only stay above, or not only get above that purple line, but then be able to stay up above it. If it can break through there, then the overarching and next key level of resistance would be right up there at $7.80. But again, one hurdle at a time. That first key hurdle apparently is going to be that 50-period moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned, wasn't quite tested today, but 730, this green line, you can see right there, got within the general vicinity of it, so keep a close eye on that. But now it's starting to take shape to kind of have a double whammy of support. Again, 730, that first whammy, the next whammy down here at that pink line there, the 200-period simple moving average. So a lot of eyeballs going to be watching 730, not necessarily just on Wednesday, but as the week continues to play out. So we'll see if that area can hold or not. But crazy day today, but there's definitely some well-defined areas here from the technical perspective. So it'll be interesting to see how the price action continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.